Hi everybody, it's Kim. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. It's going to be a quick one. I'm going to show you how to set your default printer inside of Windows 11. Microsoft has kind of gotten rid of the old control panel. It's not gone completely, but they are phasing it out and they're moving the settings into the Settings app, which is where they want you to manage all of your settings. Anyways, it's not as simple as they probably think it is, but I'm going to show you how to quickly set your default printer. It does not take long. It's not difficult. There are a couple extra steps, but it's okay. Alright, so this is Windows 11. You can tell because it's got this search everything in the middle here. Windows 10 had it all over here. You can move it over there, Windows 11, but that's another thing. Okay. So we're going to click on this little start button here, the little thing with the four blue squares. Click on that. And then you will see right here you have your Settings app. So click on that. There. Now this looks sort of like the Settings app inside of Windows 10, but it's not exactly the same, but that's okay. Doesn't matter. It has the navigation over here on the left where you have all the different categories of all the settings on the computer, and then this area here changes as you click on different tabs over here. Anyways, the one we want for right now is Bluetooth and devices. That is where the printer settings live. So click on Bluetooth and devices. Now your options in here change. There are some others. The one we are concerned with today is printers and scanners. So click on that. Now this will populate a list of all the printers and scanners that are connected to your computer. Whichever one that you choose that you want to be your default printer, in case you don't know what the default printer is, that's the one when you click print on your computer that it's going to pull up automatically. That's your default printer. Every single time it's going to pick one. Who knows what it's set to, but if you want to change it, this is how you do it. Anyways, okay, let's say I want this one here that's running out of toner. You basically click on the printer, and then right here is a button that says Set as Default. So you just click on that. Easy peasy. Now, some people don't have this button for some reason, and I'm not sure why. I don't know how to enable it. I don't know how to disable it. But some people don't have this button. Don't worry, super easy. Just click right here, More Devices and Printer Settings. Now this will bring up what actually I've been looking for all along, the control panel. It looks very similar to the control panel. I'm not sure if it acts exactly the same, but to me it seems like it does. So anyways, right mouse click on the printer that you want to be your default and say Set as Default Printer. Simple as that. So not only have we found a remnant of the control panel, which made me very happy, I've also showed you how to bypass this screen if you don't have the Set as Default button. So there you go. Hope that helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you again next time. Thank you.